She's brushing her teeth. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. This is another short video. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. This is an organizer you can use for these small cups. This is a small tool you can use for defrosting meat. This is an organizer you can use for organizing eggs. It's an egg holder. You can use it in the fridge. This is another folding mop. You can use it